Hello everyone, Coristar here, and we are actually working on my video for today, right now. And this is another video for today. I'm going to teach you how I do my videos. Now this face and this whole scene right here is actually not anywhere near the beginning. It's actually right here. Or it's supposed to be right there, but it's right here at 8 minutes. And that's the whole thing. Just the intro has my face zoomed in. I don't like that music. Sneak peek, by the way, guys. What is that? And then it'll have the stay tuned, of which is just the, as you can see, this is the coming at you preset. And then it's the stay tuned one with the same text, but I should probably have the text be our usual Whimsy TT. And then once we select that preset, it'll come toward us. The sound effect is Small Fireball by Sound Bible, so we don't actually have our own whoosh sound effect. That's all from Soundfile. And believe it or not, our intro, I made it myself using Vegas Pro. Intro Addable is what I titled it when I turned it into the correct document. And it's like the usual intro with music. And this is our channel intro with my theme, of which was actually made with the Discord server. It's in Music Maker, which is being blocked by my face cam right now. How I got the text to have the blue background was I ended up having it inside the text. You click advanced here and then you'll be able to set the background. The spacing is using the tracking at 5.10. Or, sorry, 0.510. And the same thing happens over here with the 9 likes. I have it with the blue background so you guys can see the white text easier for the beginning, but that's only the beginning. And then here is where the actual video starts. I already cut off a whole bunch of stuff that was literally irrelevant. So then we ended up having this. Happy birthday. Why was that lady just laying down? And that was our cutscene. And now, usually my videos end up being like 20 minutes. And it's very hard to edit because it takes so long. But I find it pretty fun with the game that I play and then the viewing. Let's just speed this up. Now how to separate it is to go Control U and we will delete the sound file and then make our theme be the main one. Now we speed it up with Control with the trim event end. And now we have just made the video faster. Now we put it down here and then we insert the text media and then we put the less than symbol as our thing. We don't make it whimsy, that's not my usual. What I use for the fast forward is the stencil format or stencil text, and that's how it ends up being our own. We end up stretching it out until we get there. Alright, this isn't really working the best. Oh yeah, these arrows, they're separate ticks. like, you click them and then that's how you get the arrow. There we go, finally. And so now, when we actually speed it up, it'll have the arrows there, as well as my whole theme, because this was kind of a long parkour. And then now when it finishes the segment, now it just becomes a black screen, so what we end up having to do is move it back there, and then it'll have the next video.
Come on, it's me, Walmart.
And that was me shouting at another player to, come on, we can do this. And then now we save it, and then that's the video for today. Congratulations guys, you now know how I actually make my videos. See ya in this video. Garan Coristar out.